Okay, GC next, and okay, let's just again zoom this out to the 4-hour chart. Off the top of the 4 in GC, I've got a 1 down as a diagonal, a 2 back, and I think we've got a 1, 2, 3. This should be a 4, and we drop down a little further for the 5. But I'm looking for this to play out in an impulse down to this 1146 next in GC. And it's taking that down to the hourly chart. There's the bottom of the 1. There's the 2 back. 1, 2, and I'm not sure whether this is another 1 and we're getting a 2 back. It's come rather deep for that. I prefer to just see this turn below 1205 and come down here next to 1184, 83 region. But just watching this carefully, as long as we remain below 1213.8, then the pattern lower as an impulse remains intact, with the start to target 1149 for completion of the move lower in GC.